everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here by Hawalili. It is a sweater, and we're gonna open this up, see if I can open it here. Well, I never can open these things up very well, but they come, everything from these guys comes super compressed, but it's a thick, heavy-duty sweater. So this one here is super nice. Oh, got it, I caught the little paper. And so this is what it looks like here. You can see the pattern on it is really nice. Nice thick wool kind of looking sweater. Let's see, I don't even know what it's made of. I got a size large. Let's open this up and try it on. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it over my head and I'm gonna put it over my shirt. Normally I would take off my shirt for something, but it's a sweater. It can go, doesn't go on direct, but there we go. I didn't take off the tag. Okay, well, I'll take that off in a minute. But you can see this is what the sweater looks like. I look like Mr. Rogers here, something like that. What's really cool about this one here, it comes with little pockets on the side. So if you have your phone or something like that, you can just stick that right there in the pocket and carry it along with you. And I can look nice and dapper and cool, and it's a good size. I got a size large, and it totally fits me nice. If I was wearing something a little nicer underneath, it would look even better. Let me take this tag off here. Let's see if I can do this without stabbing myself. There, I did stab myself. Okay, so this is it here. Let me see, does it say what it's made of anywhere? I'm not sure. It says color is khaki, size large. So for me, I'm about 190 pounds and about 5'10", so you get an idea of how it fits. It kind of goes to, I guess you could say mid-butt size on it, and super comfortable, and love this pockets on it, really cool. So I think I look cool in it. I like it. I mean, I would wear a different shirt, but totally look cool. I like this. It's gonna be great for the winter time. I'm actually going to, I think, a wedding this weekend, so maybe that'll even make an appearance there, who knows. But really nice. And you can see here, it's just made of good material. Let me see, it probably says on here, here it is. It's made of 100% polyamide. I'm not sure what that means, but it can be washed in the machine, dry clean, and washed separately. So it can be washed. Really nice. I like this one. Thumbs up for sure.